Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Madagascar.
As well, how old are you?
43 years old.
Are you married?
Yeah.
You have children?
Two.
Two?
Two.
Boys or girls?
Girls.
Girls. How old are they?
One girl's 12 years old. One 8 years old.
Nice. And you live in Kalmunai?
Yeah.
Now, I see you have a lot of experience here in the kitchen area.
Yes. The Saudi,
Is it all in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, Saudi, Sri Lanka.
Saudi is which one?
3 years, sir.
This one restaurant?
Yes.
That's the one
Saudi
in
is
Saudi.
a 70 plus one. Reason going to Saudi.
Okay, why did you come back to Sri Lanka?
Yes.
Why did you come back from Saudi?
Saudi working heavy.
Okay, and now you work in Serendip restaurant as a cook. Is this in Kalmunai?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So which kind of food you can make?
I'm Chinese fried rice, Sri Lankan rice and curry, the special biryanis, hot kitchen.
Okay, so mostly Asian cuisine.
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's try to have a test. So what I would like you to do, because you have so much experience in the kitchen, you can take this carrot for me and cut it into 4 different styles. Okay? I will show you how. And also this cucumber, and we'll also take maybe these leaves. And then you can arrange them on the plate as well, all of them, okay?